Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is very demanded video from candidates that I am just posting a very good opportunities internship that is on the great learning platform. So from so many days candidates say that please make step by step registration process that how we can apply for jobs internship on the great learning career boost platform. So this video is related to important for 2022 batch plus other batches all course. If you are from btech, mca, background is not matter, it's for the freshers batch. So in this video we discuss about complete information and this video is just related to step by step process. So we discuss the complete process here. So let's start the video. There is one important point that in the previous video I just shared the good opportunities with all of you that before on the 7th August I just shared the opportunity that is from the hexaview and they are just hiring for 2022 batch and this is the work from home opportunity. But so many candidates just confused in that how they can apply for this opportunity. So let's you have to just go to link that is given in the description. Okay, in the description there are one type of link that I share with all of you and you can check the link from the description. And after that this type of page is open. As you can see that 10,000 plus job posted on this platform and every day new job or internship is updated on this platform. And there is a max salary of 29 lakh per annum. 29 LPA package is the maximum salary. 500 plus hiring partners up to 75 LPA internship plus pre-placement offer. There is a very important point that there is a verified job preferred by recruiters, interview preparation, proven assessment, and as you can see that the recent placement and the packages that the candidates got. So as you can see that this type of job opportunities are in that platform. And if you are from technical background or from the business background, there is a no prior background related information. There is a very good opportunity that if you are from any background you can apply for these opportunities or for the internship. So there are the two type of tests that you have give for that, the technical jobs plus business jobs. So let's we discuss about the complete platform. Okay, so you have just click on join for free option. This is the first step and there is the two option that you have to continue with Google or continue with email. I just take the continue with Google. So as you can see that the Google ID will be. So after selecting the Google, this is the second step that you have to set up your account. So you have to fill your email ID here after name and work experience in year. So there is a very important point. If you are 2022 batch student, so you have just select I am a currently college student. For understanding the job updates and fresher, I just take the I am a graduate, that is no work experience, and the fresher less than 1 year work experience. So you can just see that if I just select the after entering the mobile number, you have just complete the sign up. Okay, so after completing the sign up option, as you can see that this type of page will be open. So this is the very important page you have to fill, or this is the very important form that you have to fill. Okay, so there is a very important point that if you are 2022 batch student, so you have select I am a currently college student, you are a bachelor's or undergraduate, what is the year of graduation, like the 2022 latest undergraduate percentage. There is a very one important point that if you select the batch, okay, if you select the 2021 batch, so the job update or the job update or the internship update is according to your batch and the preferences. If you are selecting the 2022 batch, so the job update or the internship update are different rather than the 2021 batch. Okay, so I just select the fresher, that is what is highest qualification. The batch of year graduation is 2021. What is my undergraduate percentage? As you can see that is bachelor's or undergraduate. So you There is one important point that 2022 batch is graduate. So what is higher qualification? Bachelor's. And the 2021 batch is graduate, undergraduate percentage. You have to just fill your CGPA. And what is your university? You have to just type your name of your university. And there is a very important point that what is your college city or the city college location. What is your branch that you have to select, what is your area of interest, that there are so many area of interest that is related. Like I just take the data science, what you brought to here today, looking to get job. And if you just looking to get a job, and there is a very important point that you have to select your college. Like I just select the college, and after that the city location. You have to fill this all details very good. Okay, so you have to just submit that option, and as you can see that you have successfully submitted the option, and you can just prepare, assess and apply for this opportunity. Okay, so like this is the complete process, and this is the complete profile that you can see. And there is one important point on the Great Learning platform. There are two type of category of jobs available. First is technical job and second is business job. If you need to apply for this opportunity, so you have to give the Great Learning technical test for apply to the job. Okay, so the Great Learning technical test is just if I talk about the technical test, so there are some programming question of the not the related to programming. There are some coding output question. You need to find the output. There are the aptitude question. If I take about the business related jobs, so the business test contain the business related question. Okay, so you have to give the test only one time for clearing that. And if you just clear the test, okay, if you just clear the test, you can just apply for the n number of opportunities. There is no other test for applying to the new job. If you are applying to second time job, so you not need to give the test again, only you have to give the test for the one time. Like I just take the developer. Okay, if I just want to apply for this opportunity, so as you can see that there is one pop-up that if you have to apply to for this job, so you need to first clear the test for the technical job. Okay, so this is the technical job that I have to clear, that is 45 minutes and MCQ, and the skill assess is general aptitude and the programming aptitude. I have to begin this test, and if I just clear the test, after that I am applying for this job update. Okay, I just start the discussion that is related to 2022 batch. So there is one important point. Let's we see the 2022 batch important point, that after clearing the test, how you can apply for this opportunity. Okay, so this is the page that I open for the 2022 batches, that if you are from 2022 batch, so the latest job update and the business jobs are available on this platform. There is a very important point that after clearing the test, so this option are open for all of you, that you need to apply for this job. So just like you have to apply for this job, so please review your profile to make sure that your resume, college and degree information is accurate. Make sure your 10th, 12th mark sheet and undergraduate are clear. Additional skill test may be requested by the recruiter to process your application further. So you have to just submit the application. There is a very one important point, that after submitting the application, so as you can see that you have to apply for this resume, and applied on this, the application status is applied. There is a very one important point, that you just applied for this opportunity are shown in that. Like I just applied for the hexaview, and there is a very one important point, that this is the additional test, skill test, that the requested by the recruiter to process your application. So you have to clear this test is mandatory, and you have to finish before the mentioned date. Okay, so after applying to this job, this type of status should be shown in your application form, and you need to complete the other additional skill test that is requested by the recruiter. Okay, so this is the complete process that is on the Great Learning platform, and new jobs are updated on this platform. As you can see the success stories and older jobs that already posted on this platform, and the package is also good for these opportunities. I hope this video is useful for everyone, and this video is step by step registration process. If you have any another doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section. If you find good content, please like and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.